Hello, today we'll be comparing espresso machine Laekerrt 20 bar espresso maker CMEP01 versus portable electric espresso machine. Be sure to watch to the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. Brewing pressure Laekerrt is better. Milk frozen Laekerrt is better. Portability portable is better. Power source portable is better. Water capacity Laekerrt is better. Ease of use is Thai. Brewing options Laekerrt is better. Cleaning portable is better. Price portable is better. Design aesthetic appeal it's Thai. Brew time portable electric is better. Special features Laekerrt is better. Dimension portable is better. Versatility Laekerrt is better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Express machine Laekerrt 20 bar espresso maker CMEP01. The link to buy it's in the video description.